Hey there! Today we are going to download and install MinGW, which is very useful for the programming purpose. So let's start. We have to type with MinGW and we can type it download and it will automatically give us the suggestion. Just go with the first link which is there, sourc source for .net, and you will see the download button is there. You just click on the download. Just you need to click on it. Within a few seconds downloading will be started, and see in the right hand side you will see the downloaded is there, that is MinGW get setup.exe. Now you have to double click on this to install this in your PC. Now it depends on your PC configuration how much time it has to be taken. Just if you want to take the installation directory as it is, you can go with it. Either you can change it with the change. So I'm going with the same, so continue. So now it will take few seconds to minutes, depends on, as I told you, depends on your system configuration, and then it will say continue after that, because continue button is not enabled, and after completing the continue button will be there after completing the 100%, and then we will click on the continue, and then we will be able to install it. It is just extracting the files which are there for MinGW, and then it will try to install it in our directory. So now you just have to follow these steps. You don't have to bother about the website and all. You can close it, because once you have installed, now you have to close the website. No need to open it. So just click on the continue and then install. So when installation is start, you will see this. Now this main window is there. Now you need not to worry about the web page and all. So just you have to focus this thing. So what you have to do, you have to click on the basic setup here, click on this, and then just click on the one by one which I am going to mark. So mark for the installation. Just you have to click on it. It will automatically show you the things. So click on the base, that is Min32 base. Click on that and mark for the installation. Just click on this Min32. You need not to worry about the EDA because we are not working on that. You need not to worry about the Fortran because we are not working on that. So mark for the installation for GCC. That means this is a C++ for the C++ compiler. You can see these are the compilers for different programming languages. So you need to worry about this. This is for Objective-C. So we will go with that also. We will say mark for installation, and this one is already marked for the installation. If it is not, then you have to mark for it installation. That's it. Now what is the next step? You have to click on the installation button here, that is a menu, and then you will say apply changes. That's it. And then you have to click on the apply button. You have to wait for a while. It will take, as I told you, depends on the property, depends on your speed, depends on all the configuration which you have in your system. So it will take few seconds to minutes. So wait patiently over there, and after completing whole process, it will say that your installation is complete. And then how you have to check the installation process, we will see quickly. You have to, if you have not worked with the command line, you have to go to the command line with the CMD, typing on the CMD, or I'll show you, but we have to wait for a while for installation of all the, because it has to be, we have clicked all the different toolkits for the developer purpose, for the, you can say, your C++ compiler, for Objective-C. We have installed all these things. So it requires a lot of files to install in your system. That's the reason it takes little time to install. Once it has been done, it will show you the list of the files which are there, which installation has to be, which the files are installed in your system. It will take a little bit much more time. As I told you, it will take a few seconds, 2 minutes. It can be the few minutes, it can be few seconds, depends on, but yes, you have to wait patiently. Don't click anywhere. It will show you a window after completing the whole process, but don't click anywhere. Sometimes what we feel that we click anywhere because it is not working and all. So don't worry, you have to just sit patiently, or you can have a sip of tea or coffee, go there and just come back, and after installation, it will show you a window which will be like, you just wait for a while for that, and by the time it will show you all these things, all the descriptions, you can read them and for your for your purpose. So if anybody is not aware about Fortran, its full form is formula translation. Formula translation was a is basically a programming language which is used for the formula translation purposes. C++, we know we have to work with the C and C++ in the future, and we are currently working on the C programming also, as well as the .NET. So yes, definitely now I think installation is almost done, so we will wait for few more seconds and then see all the different. If you are just just watching this, you will be able to see that files are changed here. If you just go here, you will see that the files are changed, and it has to be different files and extraction of the different files over there. So yes, definitely it will take now few seconds to complete, and yes, it was taking little more time that I was expecting, so that's why I skipped the video. And this will be the final window which will be there after installation all C++ compiler, Objective-C compiler, and all the things, MSYS installation. So now we have to, it is saying all changes are applied successfully, you may now close the dialog. So what we will do, we will close it. Now we want to see, now the all buttons are green here, all the check boxes are almost green or blue, over there. So we just have to check now how we can go with the MinGW, and how we can see, okay, it has already installed. So what we will do, we will just check the folder first. Folder will be there. Yes, folder is there. You can just see here. Yes, it is there. One thing is this. What is second alternate? We will just type cmd or command prompt from the window. So I'm just typing it, cmd. So just you have to go here, and what you have to do, you have to say G++ with the space, and you just want to check whether, because we want a C++ compiler for our programming. So what we will do, we will just say whether it is there or not, the compiler is working or not. So we will see version. If it is giving me something, it is providing me some version, that means my installation is successful. So yes, it is giving me 6.3.0. so if anybody will ask you that which type of MinGW and installation you have installed, that is 6.3.0. so yes, now our this MinGW installation is complete. Hope you like it. If you really like it, please put a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next chapter of the any programming language. Thank you for sharing, and thank you all. Thank you for the support. Bye bye.